We are still on the tips for professionally streaming with a mobile phone. In our previous video, I talked about the orientation of your video. In this video, I'll talk about stability. Hey guys, my name is Simon and this is my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the post notification so that whenever I release a new video, you get the first hand notification. Now, let's go straight into today's topic. Now, stability is very, very important when it comes to video production, except where the storyline you are going determines that kind of a shake. For example, when you watch movies, action movies and stuff, you realize that when there are actions, the video will be shaky and they are all parts because the scene requires that movement. So that is why it happens like that. But then for a live stream, you require stability. So stability is very, very important. Now, streaming the mobile phone, how do you achieve stability? You achieve stability by getting a stabilizer for your phone. The most common one available is tripod. Even if your church has a tight budget for the media, try and get a tripod. Tripod in Ghana would be with as low as 200 Ghana cedis, 300 Ghana cedis. You can get a good phone tripod that will help the stability of your production. Now, what happens is that when people are following your broadcast and they realize that your footages are shaky, they are not going to stay. That one is tried and tested. So please, today, the tip that I'm sharing with you on the mobile phone streaming is stabilization. Make that a priority if you are working with a tight budget, so you can't get these sophisticated machines for your production and you have to still go ahead with these things. Make sure that you get stabilization. Get a tripod for your mobile phone. Make sure that it is well fitted on the tripod so that your videos will become stable. When it happens like that, people at the other end may not even necessarily know that you are streaming on a mobile phone. Limited budgets or tight budgets does not mean you cannot do professional work. So let your work out there be professional and let the name of the Lord be glorified. My name is Simon. This is the tip I have for you today. See you in my next episode. Peace out.